Hi guys, this is Sophomore J12 Christmas Ornament Ideas. I use clear plastic ball ornaments to make them. I ran out of gold spray paint, so I just painted the silver parts gold. For the first idea, I painted 9 of the clear ornaments white. Write the names of the reindeers in pencil. I painted Rudolph with red paint and the 8 other reindeers with gold paint. For the second idea, I rolled a strip piece of paper and tied a bow on it. Then I wrote Santa on it using a gold pen. I cut scrap pieces of white felt to create snow. Add snow to the clear ornament, followed by the note. Make a loop with string and tie it to the top of your ornament. For the third idea, I sponge painted tiny pine cones with white paint to look like snow. Make sure the pine cones you use will fit through the hole of the ornament. Add snow to the clear ornament, followed by the pine cones. For the fourth one, I placed a couple of white feathers in the clear ornament. Then I used the end of my paintbrush to fix their placement. For the fifth one, I cut the beads of an old beaded garland. You could add pom-poms or bells instead. Then I added them to the clear ornament. And here's how the Christmas ornaments turned out.